Hi guys, this is the Mighty Titan. So look at Titan's reaction to my mom coming from work. The time is now to 1 a.m. and he has been listening out for my mom to come, and apparently he smelled my mom and he was in my room. So this is his reaction. Unbelievable. Titan, my. You're happy? You're happy that my mom is back? So apparently, whenever my mom is not here, apparently he's sad. I don't know. As soon as she comes, he's like so hyper. This is how he behaves. Titan. So I just thought that I would record this so you guys could see Titan's reaction. It's almost 1 a.m. and this is his reaction once he heard the door open. This is how he behaved when my mom comes home from work. Anyways, this is the Mighty Titan signing out. Until next time, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Mighty Titans channel. Bye.